Before started seeing Dr. Pappas, it started with being in a wheelchair, and then relying on a cane 24 hours a day. I had big problems sleeping. I ended up having to sleep on the floor on my back, but I couldn't sleep a solid 8 hours. So it was impacting my sleep, which affects everything.
Jim has had issues with chronic low back pain for some times. He came in a few years ago and we evaluated him, looked at the different issues that he had via reviewing imaging studies and physical exam findings, and came up with a targeted approach to treat his pain. So in addition to medication management, we've encompassed physical therapy here at Beaumont, as well as injection therapy to decrease inflammation, decrease spasm, which are two of the causes of his pain.
So what's kept me coming back is that this really works. Through evaluation and talking to the doctors and the people that work here, it was determined that it could probably relieve a lot of that inflammation which was causing the pain and the spasms through the epidural treatments. So that, combined with physical therapy, good exercise, and kind of a good understanding of what I can and cannot do that will aggravate the situation, has made it possible for me to have a pretty normal life. I've become friends with most of the staff here. They're really nice and very helpful, and the facility is fabulous. It's a wonderful place to come. It's very comfortable. It doesn't have that hospital aura. With all the changes going on with healthcare and the way systems are working, I am really impressed with the way this clinic, and Beaumont in particular, has been able to say, okay, all of that might be paperwork and business and the way healthcare works, but when you're in here and when we're dealing with you, it's still people. And they haven't dropped the ball on the people part of this, which for a patient is the most important part. You can get anything anywhere and you can get treatment everywhere from an ER to a specialist, but when it comes down to sitting down, in a chair or laying on a gurney, you really want to be dealing with some people that really care about you, and Beaumont's done an excellent job of doing that.